This is Deborah. Thank you for stopping by to see what I'm doing today. Today I am making some activated charcoal soap. I am calling this soap Black Heel Gold. I am soaping at room temperature. I have my lye and my oils both set pretty much at room temperature. I'm calling this soap, as I said, Black Heel Gold, and you will find out why as you as you continue to watch the video. I'm going to go ahead and add my lye to my oils to start the sponification process going there. Alrighty then. I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Got a little more in there. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to do a medium trace here, and what that is I'm just going to bring it just enough where I'm combining the oils and the lye together, mixing to make sure it's mixed well. But I'm not going to have it really thick just yet. And hopefully it'll stay fluent for what I'm doing today. If you continue to watch the video, you will see why I'm calling this Black Heel Gold. Oh my goodness. Alright, me and my names. That's just kind of hit me that way. Good name for me, I guess. I'm adding my activated charcoal into my oils here. I'm going to add my kaolin clay, and these are all really good for your skin. And I'm also adding some colloidal oatmeal, which I love, and I'm adding some heavy cream. I just love the way the soap feels with all of this. And the fragrance that I'm using today is lavender and tea tree. And I love using lavender. Lavender is made from an aroma lavender herb, an herb that is popular for its numerous benefits. The fresh floral scent of lavender has a calming effect on the body, and I love that. The tea tree, you know, it's been said that it's good to clear up the acne, and it helps to create a natural, glowing, smooth skin. Now, this is not me saying it, this is me researching it here. I'm adding some mica, some 14 karat gold mica, as like a pencil line, not too much, and I'm adding some more of the mix here over the pencil line. Hopefully I can get a nice line showing there. So I'm going to go ahead and keep moving here. Keep this video short. What I'm doing now is adding some sea salt that's been mixed in the 14 karat gold mica. You know, just because this is a black activated charcoal soap doesn't mean it has to be boring. It's still going to be awesome for your skin, but it's going to be pretty too. I love bling bling, as you can see, but I didn't want to put too much, but I just wanted just enough that when you do use the soap you can kind of rinse that off. It'll come right off. I think you're gonna like the way it looks when it's done. I mean, like I said, I like bling bling. Okay. 24 hours, and it looks good. Doesn't see any soda ash, and I can see the pencil line that I made with the 14 karat gold mica, and hopefully it will show up when I do the cut here. The mica that I used today, the 14 karat gold mica, is by Bee Scented. And I also used some gold dust, some biodegradable glitter, which is doesn't hurt the environment. That's by Bee Scented as well. Okay, let me get my first little cut done there. And still got that little problem, but I came up with a couple of solutions. I'm going to take someone else's advice and just draw a little line so I can have my measurements of my soap and not have to use this little piece. See a little bit of the pencil line on the side, but not so much in the front. Might have needed to use a little bit more, but I wasn't sure if it would adhere. I know you can put some rubbing alcohol after the mica so that it will stick with the soap, but I didn't do that. I'm turning it here on the side so I can not get so much drags, although I'm still getting some drags because of some of the little particles from the colloidal oatmeal, and get a little few scratches here and there, but overall there's not bad. Still not seeing much of a pencil line there, but it's really pretty though. I can see just a little bit there, but not much. Okay, I had a lot of fun making this activated charcoal soap. Although I'm like a big kid, I have a lot of fun making all my products actually. I love making beauty care products here, special things that's going to be so good for the skin. Yeah, I've got a little bit of a line on the side, but not much pencil line there, and I really apologize for not being able to show you this better. I didn't focus my camera as well. I'm still learning how to use all of this equipment that one of my sons given me. It is just so over my head, but hopefully I will get it. Okay, let's see what we got there. I got a little bit of one there, a little bit one on the back, not much. But hopefully maybe when you start using this soap, you know, start washing with this soap, you'll see the pencil line better. I don't know. I just wanted to make this charcoal soap cute. I just really want to put a little more bling bling on it and just really kick it up a bit, because a lot of times some of the soaps, you know, we're afraid to put a little decoration on them, you know, when we say they're for the skin. But all the soaps are for your skin. It's just activated charcoal soap it does a lot of things, but so does the essential oils, the lavender and the tea tree. So like I said, I just wanted to add a little bling bling on it to kick it up. I think it'll reach out to whoever it needs to reach out to. Okay. Like I said, I did come up with a solution how to fix that problem with the liner, the little piece there that lines up your cutter with your soap so you can get the size bar that you want cut. One of the ladies here on YouTube suggested that I just kind of, you know, make me a little line there and remove that little plastic, that little acrylic piece. And that's what I'm going to do, because I'm not going to fight with it every time I get ready to make soap. Or should I say cut soap. Oh wow. Yeah, I really like the way this looked. I'm just really glad it didn't get any soda ash, and I think one of the reasons it didn't get soda ash is because I did spray it with some alcohol, some alcohol, so that really helped. And also I didn't cover the soap because I just, you know, I wanted it just to go through the phases without covering it. So this soap will be ready in 4 to 6 weeks, and hopefully I will have it ready and get it packaged. And I'm going to come back later on and somewhere, not later on, but somewhere down the line and show you how I label my products, because, you know, someone has asked me before, how do I label my products and how do I use, what method do I use to make the label. So I'm going to show that sooner or later. Okay, I got a little line there. I'm like really happy. Got a little bit of a line there. Like I said, hopefully when you wash with the soap, when you use the soap, maybe the line's going to show up. I'm hoping. I can't wait to try it myself. My husband really liked the activated charcoal soap. He really likes it. It doesn't dry your skin out. It has a lot of nice properties in it. I don't get into all that healing stuff, talking about the things that it's really good for, and the lavender and the tea tree, all the things that they're good for. But if you look them up, you will find, you will be able to find that information. I'm not a pharmaceutical, so I don't claim any healings or anything to any of my products. Let that be known. But if you look up some of the properties, like the lavender essential oil, the tea tree, the activated charcoal, I just put a little bit of information, but you're going to be amazed at all the things that they're good for. So if you do your homework, you're going to be happy. But I'm just not going to put it on, hopefully it's not on any of my labels or on my website, any healing properties. Yep, I just excited about that pencil line there. I gotta do more pencil lines so I can really not be so like a little kid here, like, oh, there's a little bit of a pencil line. There's some amazing soapers here that do some amazing soaps. I just been finding them and checking them out and getting to know them, and I am just overwhelmed. Not so much overwhelmed, just so impressed. It's just so amazing. I like to make a lot of different products, as you can see. My customers, yeah, that's the little end piece. My customers really love bath bombs, so I do a lot of bath bombs and lotions and body butters, because that's what I sell a lot. But I do like soap as well, but those are what I do the most. So I'm getting excited about making some different soaps here. And I see a little pencil line along with some little bit of other stuff there. It's all good. Well, anyway, I think I've been talking and talking here through this video, but I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video, and hopefully I can get more soap videos going, and not be just biased to my bath bombs and lotions and body butters and all that stuff. Okay, I'm going to go now. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Okay, bye now.